I am making tea and talking to my friend. I am making tea and talking to my friend.
I am getting ready and checking the time. I getting ready and checking.
I am working on my laptop and drinking coffee. I am working my and
I am watching TV and eating snacks. I am watching TV and eating snacks.
I am washing dishes and singing a song.
I am watering the plants and enjoying the morning.
I am checking my phone and getting sleepy.
I am washing vegetables and talking to my mother.
I am drinking coffee and reading the news.
I am writing notes and attending a meeting. I
Am
writing notes and attending a meeting. I am jogging and checking my steps. I am jogging and checking my steps. I am cooking noodles and tasting the soup. I cooking noodles and tasting the soup.
I am charging my phone and going to sleep.